Top 7. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth is 100 meter. Calendar date. Special features black ceramic. Band material rubber. Band color black. Top 6. Case diameter 44 mm. Power reserve 50 hour. Water resistant depth is 10 atm. Frequency is 36,000 VPH. Top 5. Dial window material tap anti-reflective sapphire. Display tap analog clasp titanium deployment. Band material titanium. Band color silver. Dial color grey skeleton. Bezel material titanium. Movement automatic. Water resistant depth is 100 meter. Top 4. Dial window material tap anti-reflective sapphire. Display tap analog clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 36 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band color silver. Top 3. Power reserve 50 hours. Material sapphire. Diameter is 46 mm. Water resistance is 3 atm. Clasp titanium double folding clasp. Top 2. Power reserve 50 hours. Diameter is 45 mm. Water resistance is 20 atm. Strap titanium bracelet. Top 1. Power reserve approximate 60 hours. Material is steel. Diameter is 38 mm. Water resistant depth is 5 atm. Clasp stainless steel triple folding clasp. Strap grey calfskin leather with special stitchings.